What's up, YouTube? It's another day here on the Homestead property, and I'm glad you're here because today we're washing walls inside. We're painting walls with the help of our moms. Thank you so much for coming. And I've got a friend bringing over some chainsaws, and I'm gonna be taming some of these trees. Let's get started. Those are pretty nasty. We inherited two upright refrigerator and freezer things, and gonna clean them up and see if they work.
Yeah. Maybe we should plug it in first.
Yes, we for sure should. Here we go, washing off the walls before we paint them.
This is gonna be pink later.
Yes, this room's gonna be pink. From green to pink. From boys' room to girls' room. Wow, I'm so incredibly grateful for the community that we have. My friend Keith came and let us borrow his chainsaw and pole saw. So that's really, really helpful and exciting. And he even hung around for about an hour and showed me how to properly take down a big tree, which I'm probably not gonna do by myself. But also he helped me learn how to trim up the branches around a tree. So we're gonna go out and we're gonna trim around the property first, like around the house first. We're gonna go farther out, and I got my wife with me. She's gonna be taking some clips because I don't wanna be out here alone doing this. Let's get to it. Gotcha.
I caught a bird on the camera.
What is it?
It's sideways.
What kind of bird is it?
I didn't figure it out yet.
All right, we're taking out the invasive bush honeysuckle and we're putting on Tordon to kill the roots, so hopefully it doesn't come back as strong. That's what I'm talking about.
Poison ivy right there.
That is a hummingbird. Not sure if you can see this, but we have taken down a lot of low branches and the invasive bush honeysuckle around the property. We're not going to go everywhere. We're going to just kind of stay on this side today and around the house, but that's the plan. And I'm very thankful for all the help that's happening. Our moms are doing an incredible job inside. Let's get back to it. Pretty good progress. It's been probably another hour or two, and just wanted to quickly show you what's been working on out here. Inside, my mom is painting. We have one room completely done, the other room is about half done, and then we have our third bedroom that's going to be worked on too. But look at all this. There's some giant mulberry trees that need to be taken down, and slowly but surely, I mean, oof. I think I might try to get one of those carts that you attach to a mower and can load it up and pull it to our giant burn pile that's over there. But this is going to be another huge project, is clearing all these branches out of the way. But what I am doing now is cleaning up the tools, putting them safely in the garage, and then we're gonna head back to our other house and make sure we have plenty of good food for our guests. There's been a serious amount of work done today, and I am very, very, very thankful for it. I did want to make sure and say that I am so incredibly thankful for our moms coming to visit, spend time with us, but also help us on this project. You guys are the best. I'm smoking some meat for our moms. I wanted to make sure that we had some good food for them this weekend, and I've got pork steaks going and chicken wings in here. And I wanted to ask, do you smoke meat? And if so, what is your number one piece of advice for someone like me? This is brand new for me, and I want to get really good at it. It seems I've done one thing so far, and it came together really well. It's delicious, but I want to get better at this. So I'm asking for some advice, and yeah, what's your one tip of advice for smoking some meat? Look at this. Woo hoo hoo hoo, baby. Chicken wings and pork steaks.
After Mark left, I decided to tackle cleaning the kitchen window. It had a lot of dirt in there, so I just scrape it and vacuum it. You see all that there? I'm not sure why it was so dirty. It's probably one of the dirtiest in the whole house. But I'm here to clean it. I think Grandma Rita is outside. Okay, this is how far I got. I still have way up here to do, and over there. But
Mom, you better get cleaned up.
Josie says it's quitting time. Time for dinner.
That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.